Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome again to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. So today our focus will be on the next 4 words, that is we, where, W-E-R-E, where, when, word. So let's start with the first word, we. We are, we will, we shall, we would. Shall we dance? We like to go to the beach. We are happy. Where are we? We are in Mangalore. We enjoyed going to the beach. We swam in the sea. We were very tired. We will meet on Sunday. Shall we go home? The second word is where. W-E-R-E. W-E-R-E, where. There were. If I were you. They were. They were watching television. They were watching television. There were 2 apples. Were you busy yesterday? Yes, we were very busy. There were 10 eggs in all. If I were you, I would have bought that dress. If I were you, I would have bought that dress. I saw you in the bus stop. Where were you going? Oh, me? I was going to the exhibition. There were thousands of people in the exhibition. The next word is, the third word is when. When I, when is, when can, when did, when you, when he, when she, when are. When can we eat? When can we eat food? Eat when you want. The food is ready. When are you coming back from Coorg? When are you coming back from Coorg? When is your flight? When did they go home? When will lunch be ready? I'm very hungry. What happened? I fell when I was running. I fell when I was running. When did you buy this car? He ran away when he saw me. When you're ready, tell me. I will call you when I am ready. The fourth word is word. W-O-R-D, word. Word of mouth, word processor, a word. Can I have a word with you? That means, can I talk to you? A word processor. What does it process? It processes words. For example, Microsoft Word. A word processor processes words. Example is Microsoft Word. The word impossible is not in my dictionary. Suit your action to your word. Whatever you do, what word you say, you act accordingly. Just don't go opposite to that. Please check every word you type. The goodness of the doctor spread word by mouth. Can I have a word with you? I just got word that Raj's cousin had a heart attack. So that's all for today. Meet you in my next class. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.